Hi everyone, this video is for people who are looking for academic writing jobs, and here in this job you can help students complete their PhDs or like master's degrees by helping them writing essays or research papers. So let's check out the website and the job role. So this is the company's website and the company's name is EssayShark, and the company offers freelance job opportunities for academic writers. So if you are good in academics, or if you have good knowledge of any particular subject, it can be in any subject, either it can be English or psychology or history or geography or even mathematics, biology. So you can have any subject, you can choose any subject, and you can accordingly you can apply for the job and to help students. So here it says that become a freelance writing helper with us. Become a freelance helper on EssayShark. Having an essay writing job is a good way to increase your income. It is work from home job, all while doing it at a time convenient for you. If you are skilled with writing and want to make money doing it, then hurry up and join our team. So you can join EssayShark as a freelance writer, and you can offer your help to students, to college students, or those who are like doing their PhDs or pursuing their PhDs or master's degree. And here, if you want to register, you can register from here by providing your email ID. And then if you are good in academic writing, so you can expect an earning of around $2,000 per month. However, if you are a beginner or you are just a fresher, you can still expect an earning of around at least around like $500 or something per month. So it mainly depends on the number of jobs or the number of projects that you work upon. So now let's check out the benefits that the company offers or the job offers here. So the job requires you to create a freelance profile on their platform, on its like platform, and then so you can start bidding on any of the hundreds of orders added every minute. And then you can chat with your customers directly in chat and rate each other after every order. So you will have the opportunity to chat with your client so that you can understand their requirements better, and then you can work accordingly, and then receive bonuses for working productively and diligently. So in addition to the price or the uh, in addition to the price that you have set for any particular project, you can expect bonus as well. And then get money twice a month in the way that is most convenient for you. So the company used to pay twice a month, and so whatever money is collected in your wallet, you can expect like to withdraw that 2 times a month. And then set your own price per page when bidding for orders, and work when it is suitable for you, evenings, weekends, to 24/7 you decide. So this is a work from home opportunity, and you can work as a freelance. You can make your own schedule and you can work in like flexible hours. So here the EssayShark is a writing service provider that helps basically students, college students with the research papers, and writers with essay writing jobs. And it allows skilled and experienced authors to earn a living or pick up some extra income with their writing. Working with us as an essay writer, you get convenient and remote work, writing essays, term papers, thesis, coursework, and any other writing issues that students face. We help our authors to get income for freelance writing. You can quickly generate income when you put your time and skills to work. And so if you wish to become an author, you can apply from here and fill up the application form. So as a freelancer, you can be your own boss, write about what you love. When working with EssayShark.com, you have the freedom to choose which projects to work on. So as I already said, that you can choose your own subject, desired subject that you wish to work upon, and you can choose projects from those particular subjects, and then you can set bids and particular types of projects and work from any location that has access to the internet. In effect, you can be your own boss with your fair rating system. when you do a good job, customers rate you well, and you in turn get more essay writing jobs. So it, like if you work on some project or you complete the project, after completion your customers or the client used to like rate you, provide you ratings like 4-star or 5-star, and then accordingly it is like you will be more it is more likely for you to get more jobs in future. And then so this is a great opportunity for people who have good subject knowledge or who are very good in their academics, etc. So this could be a great opportunity for for students who have completed their master's degree or who have completed their PhDs or who are like freshers, and they have already completed their college degrees, and they can expect like start earning through this like job working as a part-time. So here are some of the FAQs. Let's check out the FAQs to be more clear. How do you become a freelance author or on EssayShark? So we only hire professionals who can offer high quality work to students. First of all, to receive a part-time writing job at our service, you should hold at least a bachelor's degree. So this is clear, and you will need to confirm that you have a bachelor's degree upon registration. So you need to provide your degree document. And then okay, and then language, so everything is in English language, so so it is very important for you to know English language very well, because everything is going to be in English. You need to write English in English, and you need to communicate with your client in English. And then, can I combine freelance essay writing job with my full-time job? So it is up to you. You can either work part-time or full-time. It is up to you. You can decide your own hours. Then when will I get money for my work? So you can easily get paid twice a month. And this is the website. So if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, you can register and then fill out profile, take the English grammar test. This is a simple English grammar test, and then pass evaluation. Or this could be a test for subject knowledge, to check your subject knowledge, and then you can start writing. So go ahead, if you think that you could be a good fit, fill up the application form and then start earning money from your home. So thank you for listening.